How to turn on webcam and camera in Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn on webcam or camera in Windows 11. So let's get started. On this process, at first you have to do right click at of your Windows just at the bottom of the taskbar. So simply right click on Windows icon. Alright, so from here you'll have to click on settings. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to go the option privacy and security. So it will appear at the left hand side panel. So simply click on privacy and security. Okay, so from the privacy and security, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like app permission. So from there, you'll have to choose camera. Alright, so from the camera section, make sure that you have allowed this camera option from here. So you have to turn on this camera, and another one you can also turn on this camera option from here. And after you turn on this, you'll be able to turn on your webcam or camera on your Windows 11. So although you can also search it on your search bar for camera, so simply from here you can search camera, and now from here click on open. Okay, so from here you can use your camera or you can turn on your webcam easily on your Windows 11. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.